Glass Skin Unveiled, the ultimate guide to luminous skin. It's not about achieving porcelain-like paleness, it's about achieving a complexion so healthy, so hydrated, that it literally glows. This coveted radiance is achieved through a dedicated skincare routine that prioritizes hydration, nourishment, and gentle exfoliation. Forget heavy makeup and layers of concealer. Glass Skin is about embracing your natural beauty and letting your inner glow shine through. Welcome to the world of glass skin.
The cleansing ritual, setting the stage for glass skin. The foundation of any effective skincare routine, especially one geared towards achieving glass skin, is a meticulous cleansing ritual. This crucial step removes dirt, makeup, and impurities that can clog pores and dull your complexion. Start by selecting a gentle cleanser that effectively removes impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Look for cleansers with hydrating ingredients like glycerin or hyaluronic acid, which attract and retain moisture. Massage the cleanser onto damp skin using gentle, circular motions for at least 60 seconds. This allows ample time for the cleanser to break down impurities and for the hydrating ingredients to penetrate the skin. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Avoid harsh rubbing, as this can irritate the skin and compromise its delicate barrier. Remember, a clean canvas is essential for the subsequent steps in your glass skin journey. Toning to perfection, balancing and prepping your skin. After cleansing, it's time to restore your skin's pH balance and prep it for the next steps in your routine with a toner. Contrary to popular belief, toners are not meant to be harsh or astringent. Instead, they should be hydrating and soothing, further enhancing your skin's radiance. Choose a toner that contains ingredients like hyaluronic acid, rose water, or green tea extract. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant, drawing moisture from the air and locking it into your skin, while rose water and green tea extract provide soothing and anti-inflammatory benefits. Soak a cotton pad with your chosen toner and gently sweep it across your face and neck, avoiding the delicate eye area. Allow the toner to absorb fully before moving on to the next step. This simple yet essential step preps your skin to better absorb the subsequent serums and moisturizers, maximizing their effectiveness in your quest for glass skin. The Serum Revolution, targeting specific skin concerns. Serums are the superheroes of the skincare world, delivering concentrated doses of active ingredients to address specific skin concerns. For glass skin, focus on serums that promote hydration, brighten the complexion, and minimize the appearance of pores. Hyaluronic acid is a must-have ingredient in your glass skin serum arsenal. Its ability to attract and hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water makes it a hydration powerhouse, plumping up the skin and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, is another potent ingredient to look for. It helps to even out skin tone, reduce redness and minimize the appearance of pores, contributing to a smoother, more radiant complexion. Apply a few drops of serum to your fingertips and gently pat it onto your face and neck after toning. Allow the serum to absorb fully before moving on to the next step. Moisturization. Mania, locking in hydration for that dewy glow. Moisturization is the key to sealing in all the goodness of your previous skincare steps and achieving that coveted dewy glow. Opt for a moisturizer that's rich in humectants, emollients, and occlusives to provide long-lasting hydration and create a protective barrier against moisture loss. Hyaluronic acid, as we've established, is a humectant superstar, drawing moisture to the skin. Look for moisturizers that combine hyaluronic acid with emollients like ceramides or shea butter, which help to soften and smooth the skin. Finally, occlusives like squalane or jojoba oil create a protective barrier over the skin, preventing moisture from escaping. Apply a generous amount of moisturizer to your face and neck, massaging it and using upward circular motions. This not only helps the product absorb better, but also promotes circulation, further enhancing your natural glow. Professional touch enhancing your glass skin journey. While a dedicated at-home skincare routine is essential for achieving glass skin, incorporating professional treatments can take your results to the next level. Facials, microdermabrasion, and LED light therapy are just a few examples of treatments that can enhance your glass skin journey. Facials provide a deep cleanse and exfoliation, removing dead skin cells and allowing your skincare products to penetrate more effectively. Microdermabrasion takes exfoliation a step further, using a minimally abrasive instrument to gently sand your skin, improving its texture and reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and acne scars. LED light therapy uses different wavelengths of light to target specific skin concerns. Red light therapy, for instance, stimulates collagen production, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and promoting a more youthful complexion. Consult with a licensed esthetician or dermatologist to determine which professional treatments are right for your skin type and concerns.
Embrace your glow. Glass skin for every tone. The beauty of glass skin is that it's achievable for everyone, regardless of skin tone. While the core principles of hydration, nourishment, and gentle exfoliation remain the same, there are a few nuances to consider based on your individual skin tone. For those with deeper skin tones, hyperpigmentation and dark spots can be a concern. Look for serums and moisturizers that contain brightening ingredients like vitamin C, licorice root extract, or koic acid to help even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Sunscreen is non-negotiable for all skin tones, but it's especially crucial for those with deeper skin tones, as hyperpigmentation can be exacerbated by sun exposure. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher and apply it liberally every day, even on cloudy days. Remember, achieving glass skin is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with your skin, embrace the process, and celebrate the radiant, healthy complexion that awaits you.